அன்பார்ந்த குழந்தைகளுக்கும் மதிப்பிற்குரிய பெற்றோர்களுக்கும் மற்றும் இங்கு கூடியிருக்கும் அனைவருக்கும் ரமணியம் சங்கரா மெட்ரிகுலேஷன் மேல்நிலைப் பள்ளியின் இனிய தீபத் திருநாள் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். அப்பா சூப்பர் மார்க்கெட் வழங்கும் ரமணியம் சங்கரா மெட்ரிகுலேஷன் மேல்நிலைப் பள்ளி மற்றும் தேசத்தின் நம்பிக்கை இணைந்து நடத்தும் தீபாவளி சிறப்பு பட்டிமன்றம். தலைப்பு: பிள்ளைகளின் எதிர்கால வேலை மற்றும் படிப்பு சம்பந்தமான முடிவுகளை தீர்மானிக்கும் பொறுப்பு பெற்றோர்களுக்கே பிள்ளைகளுக்கே. Diwali is a festival of lights. Though it is a Hindu festival celebrated by all the children due to the bursting of the crackers. Diwali is a festival of sharing, love, joy, sweets and savories. The children of today need to be taught in a habit of sharing and caring. It is a festival that teaches children many good values. For every festival, you will be watching different special debates conducted by different TV channels conducted by very famous personalities. This year, we, the future great personalities, now the students of Ramaniyam Shankara Matriculation Higher Secondary School, will knock your door with a special debate. In this auspicious occasion, we unite with Desathin Nambikai to deliver this debate. The topic of today's debate is something that happens in every household at some point of time. Can you guess the topic? We all know that choosing a career is very vital in the life of a teenager. At least now, have you guessed? Okay, let me go into it straight away. The topic of today's debate is: who should choose the career of a child, whether the parents or children? Here we have two teams. Team A is going to talk in favor of parents. Team B is going to talk in favor of children. Let me introduce the team members. Tasnim Fatima of class 12, who is pursuing science stream to become a great doctor. She is an all-rounder in sports. She has scored centum in botany. Megnath of class 10, who is silent yet vibrant in the speech. He is very sincere and dedicated person in the classroom. He is highly disciplined person and he loves to solve the problems. Lakshmi Priya of class 10, who is an epitome of discipline, topper of the class, and she maintains a good leadership. In team B, we have Mithilesh of class 12, who is a good listener and an observer. He is gold medalist in logo making. He is experienced in video editing without drop in quality. Tamimul Ansari, a great commentator, a big chatterbox, who is claimed to be a photographer and a football player. Brinda of class 10, who is expected to become a future entrepreneur and a very hard worker. And last, myself, Yoga Lakshmi, I am studying in standard 10, who is going to judge the debate. Let's begin with Tasnim Fatima, who is going to talk in favor of parents.
Good morning, dear ladies and gentlemen. I wish you all a very happy Diwali. I would like to thank the management of Ramaniyam Shankara Matriculation Higher Secondary School for giving me this golden opportunity. What will you become when you grow up? This is the most common question we get annoyed of. It's all about decision making. I would like to ask a simple question to my dear friends. Do your parents want you to fail or suffer for anything? Not at all, because no parent will want his or her child to fail or suffer for anything. In fact, they only want you to cry at the birth time. That too, only check whether you're dead or alive.
Great, Tasnim. You're right.
Yes, Judge. The point here is, parents will not guide us in wrong path. Each and every decision is for the betterment of the child. The most important point that why a parent should choose the career of a child is between the age of 13 and 19, that is the teenage. Most of the children don't know life skills. They don't know the skills of life and they get distracted by their peer members, that is their friends, and they only want to be in a comfort zone rather than work hard. A girl in my neighborhood to whom I put forth the question, what will you become in the future? She gave me different answers at different times. This clearly shows that nowadays children have a change in interest of mind and they may lead in taking a wrong decision. This is the place where our parents play an important role. Coming back to the point that parents play an immense role in a child's life. Parents of the present generation are well educated and well experienced thanks to the internet. A survey conducted by National Household Education states that the IQ levels of parents of current generation is 2 times greater than that of the 2012 generation.
Is it so?
Yes, Judge. So, this level of experience and education can guide a child from putting his legs into the traps that life has surprisingly brought to them. A great author named Chuck Palahniuk, in his book named Invisible Monster, states that parents are gods because you want them to be out there. You want them to think good about you, but you call them only when you need something. A parent clearly knows the aptitude of a child and what the child is capable of. Remember, parents' decision is a safer zone. You know why? Because even if the child fails,
Failure.
at the instance if the child fails, parents are behind you to take care of you and give you unconditional love. So I strongly conclude that parents should only choose the career of a child. Thank you.
Tasnim Fatima has mentioned that if a child failed in any situation, parents will be the backup support and boost their child with an unconditional love as we can see it. Now we have Mithilesh to contradict Tasnim's ideas.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am R. Mithilesh of class 12A. I am here to speak in favor of child choosing their career. At first, I want to thank Ramaniyam Shankara management for giving me this opportunity. Choosing a career is one of the most important decisions in a child's life. It is about much more than deciding what you will do to make a living. Every child has his own right to choose his career and live his dreams. Just think about the amount of time that we spend at work. We don't want that to be happening to our children, right? To prevent this from happening to our children, we need to make a very well thought out decision. Present day child is lucky in many ways. You know why? Let me tell you why. It's because of the wide career option available. A child alone will know his inborn talents and abilities better than anyone else.
Yes, Mithilesh, you're 100% correct.
Thank you, Madam Judge. Only a child knows his areas of interest and abilities better than anyone. A child will excel if he just follows his own passion.
Yes, I do think so. Let him follow his own passion.
Yes, Judge. My friend Tasneem said that parents will provide you with unconditional love and take care of you. Agreed. Let me ask you a question. If the son who is drunkard at 50 and the parent is 80, who will take care of whom? Think over it.
Yes, it's a valuable question. We'll think about it, Mithilesh.
And I want to conclude by strongly saying that a child alone should choose his own career path. Thank you.
Mithilesh is saying that choosing a career is a right of every individual. Yes, we all agreed with him. Now, let's see how Meghnad is going to talk in favor of parents.
I hope that this will be a wonderful Diwali to the honorable judge, the co-debaters, and my dear viewers. I am Meghnad from class 10. I extend my gratitude to the management of Ramaniyam Shankara Matriculation Higher Secondary School for giving me this enormous opportunity. Who should choose the career of a child, whether the parent or a child himself? As the honorable judge said, this is the most common discussion that happens in each and every household. First of all, no one can love you more than your parents, right?
Yes, of course. It's a true statement.
Yes, Judge. Parents, love is always unconditional. They fulfill each and every demand of yours. They cry for your sufferings. They find happiness only at your success. Then, why can't a parent choose his child's career? Parent will always look at the ability of a child and what career will brighten his child's future. One of the most important decisions of life after passing 12th is which career stream to choose and why. Most probably, making the right choice is very strenuous. It requires a lot of patience and thinking as you need to analyze various fields. Being a teenager, it is really difficult to make the right choice. Most of the children follow the path chosen by the parents.
Yes, most of the children follow their parents' path.
Of course, Jess, every teenager should be more grateful to his parents because parents are the ones who suffers a lot of difficulties in bringing up their kids. Every year, thousands of students with young, fierce minds are confused about their career choices. On making a wrong choice, the interest of a child is lost and it leads to frustration, depression, ultimately ending in suicidal attempts. All parents want to see their child in a high position or well settled in their life. They know well about the child's abilities and their hidden talents. Just as a child can't initially stand, run, walk, or speak without the help of the parent, similarly, a child can't also choose his career by himself.
Well said. Undoubtedly, raising a child is most joyful and lovable experiment done by their parents.
Yes, of course, Judge. More than all, making the right choice is very crucial thing in life. Teenagers can be disturbed or diverted by various things at this age. My friend Mithilesh said, we are nowadays children having a wide variety of career options. Yeah, is correct. But in that, a child may choose an inappropriate career option by listening to the friends. If they listen to the parents' opinion, they can get a clear mind and this will help them to make the right choice. So, listening to the parental option is much more advisable than making one's own choice. I wish to conclude by saying no parents would like to spoil the child's future by taking the wrong decision. And don't forget that parents are much more experienced. They have seen more of the world than the children. So, I can surely tell that parents' decision is always better and correct. Once again, thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Megnath is saying that if a child stuck in any situation, parents will be the guiding light of their children. Now let's see how Tamimul Ansari is going to oppose Megnath's ideas.
Good morning to one and all present here, and thank you for being here. I wish everyone a happy Diwali. I want to thank Ramaniyam Shankara Matriculation Higher Secondary School for giving me this amazing opportunity. A research-based organization in Australia had claimed more than 50% of the people do not like that work that they do. On an average, it takes 6 years for a student to complete a 4-year course. 60% of the people switch their career path. Mainly, the career is chosen by their parents. What precisely is this debate on? Who should choose the career of a child, parent or the children? The parent side strongly claim that parents play a pivotal role in a child's career. But I think that's biased. Last week I was going to a Chinese philosophy. It says, interest is what drives you to success. And without interest, if you are doing a work, it's like a path of stress. A great personality once said, love the work you do and do the work you love, which get only by interest. I have a question to my opponent team. Will you do the work that you're not interested in? If you're doing it, it's like a grabbing a freedom from individual. For example, I'm going to hotel with my parents. They order the food that I don't like. I will not be satisfied. Same applies here, but end of the day, it's just a taste. But this is my life.
Okay, let me ask you a question. If you're going to a hotel, you're ordering some unhealthy food like pizza or burger, you fall sick. Who will take care of you and who will pay the doctor's fees? Your dad, right? Same applies in career choice.
Judge, can I ask you a question?
Yes, please proceed.
In which hotel they are serving a healthy food? Going to hotel itself is an unhealthy decision, right?
It's a valuable point.
Thank you, Judge. Our parents always say that whatever I do for you is for your betterment and I'm more experienced than you. Our parents want us to be in a safer side. But we know without risk, we cannot do anything. My friend Megnath said a child cannot stand, walk, speak without help of their parents. I think my opponent are weak in science. According to science, a child can stand, walk, speak, even swim without help of any person. I have a short story here. Just listen to me. There was a prince called Gautama. His dad wanted him to be a king. When his dad gave his crown to him, he threw the crown out and went out of the kingdom. And he found the religion called Buddhism. Now he is a god for the people who follows Buddhism. If he did what his dad said, he would be just a king. But now he is a god. Now it is one of the most practiced religion in the world. Parents, please stay as a pillar to the child. Don't force them what you need to do. Thank you.
Tamimul Ansari has stated, love the work you do and do the work you love. Where there is a love, will be a satisfaction. So he's telling about the satisfaction is very important in choosing the career. Now let's call upon Lakshmi Priya to raise our voice in favor of parents.
Good morning to everyone. I am S. Lakshmi Priya of class 10. I wish you a very happy Diwali to one and all present here. I'd like to thank Ramnim Shankara Matriculation Higher Secondary School for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I'm here to propose the motion that parents should make the career of the child. Parents have experience and knowledge about the world. They can use that and what they know about the child's personality and talent to guide the career and path that suits them perfectly. Parents know what has happened to their friends and relatives who have tried various careers so that they can choose a best career for the child. Basically, it comes down to parents know best. Every parent should know and understand the child's innate strength and weakness. The parent should identify the child's inborn resources like innate capabilities and core interests. They all know that what is it that comes to the child easy and what is it the child can catch easy. Having identified the inner resources, the parents always support and encourage a child's career. You cannot teach a fish to climb a tree or a monkey to go for a deep sea diving. They will do best what they have been enabled naturally by their capability. Choosing a career path is greatly important to everyone, whether you are a teenager or an adult. When the parent decides, they know from experience which job will help the child financially and which will not help the child. The parents know the economy ups and downs, which companies and which professions help the child to sustain the predicted lifestyle. My friend Mithilesh said that every child has a dream of his career. What are their dreams? When will Vijay's Beast movie will release? What is the Ajit's Valimai update? When will we play Free Fire and PUBG? This should be a dream of a career.
Of course not.
My friend Tamim asked, are you satisfied with your job? By human psychology, no one is satisfied with their needs. If you want to become a music director, you become a music director. Then you want to become a hero, director, producer, and so on. So, by human psychology, no one is satisfied with anything. And he also said that a child can stand, walk, and speak without the help of someone. No, a child can do all the work by the guidance of someone only. So, now we know who know about science and who does not know anything.
Yes, what are you thinking about them? There are high scorers in science.
Thank you, Judge. So I conclude that parents can only choose a best career for the child. And I once again thanks for Ramnim Shankara Matriculation Higher Secondary School for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Lakshmi Priya is saying that the guidance of the parents shows a right path to their child. Let's call upon Brinda to oppose Team A and talking in favor of children.
Respected teachers, principal, my co-debaters, honorable judge, good morning to everyone. I am Brinda of class 10. I wish you a very happy Diwali. I would like to thank Ramaniam Shankara Matriculation Higher Secondary School for giving me this tremendous opportunity. I am here to propose the motion that children choose the right career. First of all, what is a career? A career is a sequence of occupation, jobs, and position engaged in or occupied throughout the lifetime. I want to ask a question to my co-debaters. Why? Why should a parent choose the career of a children? Are they going to do the job for him? Are they going to face all the consequences and pressure in the job?
Definitely not. Only the
Yes.
child has to face it.
Yes, Judge. A parent's main goal is to make their children happy, right? Then let them choose the career. The world is changing and the dream of every child is changing accordingly.
Yes, of course. The dream of a child is unique nowadays.
Yes, Judge. Due to generation gap, parents' view is limited and parents choose the career by others' opinion and suggestions. I am a student and I know how it feels under all parental pressure and influence. It's frustrating. Parents always want us to choose a stable and prestigious job. Just keep this in mind. Stable job does not equal happy job. Prestigious job does not equal happy job. And the funniest thing which happens only in India is Indian parents know only 4 professions: doctors, lawyers, engineers, and disappointment.
Yes, it's really a disappointment.
Yes, Judge. My friend Tasmin said that parents will give unconditional love with backup support if a child fails. Then what is the meaning of relationship? Will they give backup support only if a parent chooses the career? No. You allow us to eat what we like. You allow us to wear what we like. Then why not in career? And my friend Meghnad said that parents wish us to see in a well-settled life with happiness and prosperity. How is it even possible? It is possible only if the child chooses the career. And my friend Lakshmi Priya agreed that mental and moral support will help the child to choose the right path. Then just do that instead of choosing the career. You, as a parent, give us love, care, encouragement, moral support instead of choosing our career and making the decision. You may house their bodies, but not their souls. So I stress strongly that children should choose their own career. Choosing the career is the right of every child. And I'm sure that the judge will also agree with my points. Thank you once again for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Brinda has mentioned that parents cannot force their child by dumping their decisions. Children should feel independent in choosing their career. Parents need to think about their personal interest and capabilities. The Montessori method was founded by Maria Montessori, was built on the idea of a child to explore and experiment the world around them. In this world, survival of fittest is highly important. The child needs to sustain himself in all walks of his life. The parents will be the guidance of their child as a compass. The child will seek to the parental advice when necessary. Through trial and error, they will learn to bring ideas to life. Making independent decisions will boost the self-confidence. The child can make the connection between the imagination and the reality. It is important for parents that parents need to give a support and encourage their child by giving and exploring the available options to finding the best career. The parents need to be open and allow their child as much possible as gather the information on their career interested areas. The parents should be facilitators to their children on the career choice. Just think, can you clap with a single hand? The sound will be audible? No, right? Joining both hands only, the sound will be audible. Same applies in career choice. Parents and children should jointly choose their career. I hope you all enjoyed this program. My final judgment is, children should choose their own career with the guidance of their parents. Children and teenagers, all those who wish to burst crackers, should be careful. Children should burst crackers only with the help of their parents. Be happy and safe. Let's all enjoy a safe and happy Diwali. இந்த பட்டிமன்றத்தை அனைவரும் நன்றாக கண்டு கழித்தீர்களா? எனது தீர்ப்புக்காக ஆவலுடன் எதிர்பார்க்கும் உங்களுக்காக இதோ எனது தீர்ப்பு. குழந்தைகள் தங்கள் வாழ்க்கை திறனை முடிவு செய்யும் பொழுது பெற்றோர்களின் அறிவுரையும் ஏற்று நடந்தால் வாழ்வும் வளமும் நன்றாக அமையும். இத்துடன் இந்த பட்டிமன்றத்தை நிறைவு செய்கிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.